In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Kinect 360 to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Even though the Kinect 360 was originally developed for the Xbox 360, of course, you can still use it within your Xbox One. Sadly, you will need to purchase an adapter, so this doesn't look like something that you can just do natively. If you try to connect it right away, either nothing will happen or you will be unable to get this to work. So the adapter that you need can be found in various different places, including Amazon. So you can look for a Kinect adapter for Xbox One S and Xbox One X. This also works with Windows. Something that I've noticed is that it seems like these adapters only work for the Xbox One S and the Xbox One X. If you are trying to do this with a standard Xbox One, sadly it seems like there is no workaround, so you will most likely need to purchase a Kinect designed to work with those consoles. But if you have the Xbox One S or Xbox One X, you can get the Kinect 360 to work. So you purchase one of these adapters. As you can clearly see, you plug it into the wall, so you plug it into a power outlet, the power brick will go over here, and then you establish a connection between this adapter and the Kinect to the console. It is easy to set up, and this is how it looks. So this power brick will go into the Kinect, and then you can finish the connection between the Kinect 360 and the Xbox One. And you can find plenty of different adapters. This is just a random example that I found. As long as you look for Kinect adapter Xbox One, you can purchase any of the available ones here. It is simple to set up, and it should give you full access to your Kinect 360 on your Xbox One console. Once again, this one also is incompatible with the Xbox One, so this seems to be a major issue. It only works for the Xbox One S and Xbox One X. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Kinect 360 to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.